Alright guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the McLaren 675LT. Okay, so let's pull this off. This top thingy. Oh man, I gotta pause this. Alright, now I'm going to be peeling the sticker off. Okay, cardboard's going off. It's not good. I'm so excited. I haven't bought an RC car in ages. Oh dude, another one? Alright, once we got this pulled, it's time to open the 675LT. This is my first ever McLaren car model. So I believe we open it from here. Whoa. Okay. There's some pull thingies. I think we just slide it to the side. I bet. Wait, I can't zoom back. Wow. Let me set this aside. And here we have it. There's like some, you know, no one reads these, so let me put this away. Wow, this looks really nice. Just looks like the original car. Like the original. Oh yeah, and it includes batteries too. I don't care if the cardboard gets damaged from this sticker residue. Take this off. Take this tape off. And the McLaren is screwed on, so I gotta find a way to get it out. I think this mini screwdriver will work. This mini one. Hopefully. Oh man, I don't think it works. Okay, I actually had to get this knife to take these screws out. It's like these flat screws thingies. But now it's the McLaren. There's just some random. Oh, nice. For the McLaren, you just screw these things off. Guys, here we go. Last one. Last one. Yep. Took it off. Oh my god. Wow, dude. Let me take the batteries out. Let's use the knife to open up. Okay. Here are the batteries. 5 of them. Tronic batteries. Now, how do you open up batteries? I don't know how you do this. Weird. Okay, I've got the batteries. Where's the remote control? Here. Ah, more screws. Okay, this requires 2 AA batteries. 1, 2. Now we need 3 AA's for the McLaren. Okay. Here we go, guys. It's turned on. Whoa. It works. Wow, it